I do not know why a lot of people are not talking about Mavryk network, and when it comes to real world assets on crypto, these guys have one of the best utility I have seen so far. And what is even better, these guys have secured a whopping $3 billion investment in a deal that they describe as the biggest deal in crypto history. So if you're watching this video and you really want to check out Mavryk, you should check them out on Twitter to see most of what they are building on the blockchain. Follow them on Twitter. Don't forget to also follow me on Twitter, as I drop a lot of updates on Twitter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I make a new video. Check out other of my videos on YouTube, as I share a lot of updates on several testnets, and I make one of the best videos when it comes to tutorial videos on testnet. Now, returning to Mavryk, in order for you to participate on their testnet, you need to visit their website, mavryk.org/testnet. All right, you'll find all the links in the description of this video. You're gonna find everything there. Then it will bring you to this page here. Now, this here is where you see everything you need to participate on this testnet. The first thing you must do is to add the wallet extension to your browser. If you are using your mobile, everything, just follow the process here on your Mises browser or whatever browser you are using. Make sure that the browser you are using allows you to add Chrome extensions. Their wallet is only available on extensions, so you need to add it to your Chrome browser. All right, once you've added it, you should pin it to the top of your browser here. As you can see, I've pinned mine. If you are using laptop, make sure you pin it there so that it becomes easy for you to access. Now, create a new wallet. Once you register on this, make sure you create a new wallet. This is a layer 1 blockchain, so don't import your Ethereum wallet to this. They have their own blockchain, their own networks, everything. So make sure that you create a new wallet and don't import your Ethereum wallet to this. Once you are done doing all of that, you need to click on receive. You need to click here to copy your wallet address, because you're going to need test tokens to test the network. So copy your wallet address that starts with MV. All right, it starts with MV here. Then as we proceed, I'm going to show you how to get test tokens. Now, after adding the wallet extension and creating your wallet, the next thing you need to do is to get faucet. You need to click on token faucet here. It will redirect you to their Telegram. Now, when you go to their Telegram, you need to join their Telegram, and this is how you request for faucet. Go to this section of the Telegram group. Make sure that you have passed the captcha as somebody that joined new. Then you need to paste your wallet address inside the Telegram group, or inside this particular Telegram group for faucet. This is how you request for faucet. Using this format here, the first faucet you should request for is the Mavryk faucet. This is their native token. So you type this is the code to get the Mavryk token. So after you've typed this, put space and paste your wallet address, the one you copied from the wallet that you just created, and send it. Mavryk should be the first one you request. Then after sending that, the next one is USDT. Type /USDT, you leave a space, and then you paste your wallet address again and you send it. That is for USDT. They will send the USDT to your wallet. Then the next one is Maven token. All right, so to request for Maven, you type /MVN, you leave space, and you paste your wallet address and you send. Then the token will be sent to you. After you've done all of this, wait for some minutes. All right, wait for some minutes. You can refer to your wallet, keep refreshing your wallet, and then the tokens will be sent into your wallet. You can request for Maven and USDT every day. I think Mavryk will be sent just once, but it is enough for you to cover all transactions you will need to do on this Mavryk. Now, this is the second section here about how to get your test tokens. Now, the first aspect of the task we need to touch is this Equitex exchange. Like I said, this Mavryk are building a real world asset tokenization on their own blockchain. So what this means is that you can buy real life properties on the blockchain. How does this work? You need to come to this equitex.com. All right, this is their website here. Then you click on launch app. So once you're here, welcome to the future of ownership, DeFi integration, testnet. Most of the features of this website are still under development. Our job is to test the ones that have been released already. From the top right section here, you need to connect your wallet. All right, so you need to connect your wallet. Let me show you how to do that. You need to click on log in. Okay, then it will prompt up to connect your wallet. You need to select on Mavryk. So you can see Mavryk here. Then you click on use extension so that it will prompt you to connect your Mavryk extension. So this is it here. I click on confirm. So my wallet has been connected. Just wait for the operation to be successful. And then you can see that my wallet is now connected at the top right corner, right? So the first thing you need to do is to buy reward asset. All right, buy reward asset, invest in reward asset. Click on start investing. Under this marketplace, you click on start investing. So once you click on that, it's going to show you different properties that you can purchase. These properties are real life properties, although these ones are just testnet. But once they go live, you're going to be seeing real life properties from many places across the world, mostly from the United States. This is where the partnership, the $3 billion partnership they signed just comes in, because anybody from anywhere will be able to buy a section of a property, right? You don't need to have $1 million to buy the properties. It's just like investing in a property that has already been built. For example, let's take this North Texas property. Now, if you want to invest on this property, let's say North Texas, you come down here to own a section of this property. It costs $100, but you can purchase any amount on this property. You can invest any amount on this property. So the first thing you need to do now is, if you check out the property and you like it, then you come on under buy section. You click on buy. Then how much you want to invest? Remember to own one, let's call it a share, one share of this North Texas Bitcoin Miners Limited. If you want to buy one, it will cost you $100, but you must not buy. It is not a must for you to buy $100. If what you want to invest is $1, you simply type on your amount $1, and then you will receive 0.009954 of the property you are buying. So in this case, I want to buy $100. Let me just buy $100. Let me put it at 1 here. I want to buy 1. Remember that you will get 1,000 USDT test token when you request, following the instructions I gave you earlier on this video. So if I put 100 here, I click on continue. I will agree to the terms and conditions, right? I will agree to the terms and conditions. Then please enter your first and last name initials. So just enter your initials here. So you enter any two letters. Then you click on buy. Okay, I click on buy. I will need to confirm this on using my wallet. The Mavryk wallet extension will open up for me to confirm the transaction. Then I'll click on confirm. Just give it a bit of time and it will be successful. I think it is successful now. See, congratulations. You are now an investor in North Texas Bitcoin Miners Limited. You can view your assets in the Mavryk wallet. So if you open your wallet here, if you open your Mavryk wallet and you come to reward assets, you can see reward assets, you can see token, NFTs, reward assets. You will see all of the properties that you have bought. I have bought others before. You can see my North Texas Bitcoin Miners Limited. And the last price is $100. The total value of what I've bought is $290. I've invested $290 in it. Mass one token. This is also another property. I've invested $455. You can see Ocean token. You can buy any of these. All right. Then if you want to sell, it is easy to sell. Just the same way you bought this token. Just come here and click on sell. Then you put the amount you want to sell. If you want to sell all of them, you simply just put the amount you want to sell here, 2.89, and then you can see the amount you will receive, 290.34, right? So you click on continue, and then you agree to the terms and conditions. You put your initials here. All right, once you put your initials, you click on sell. Okay, then you confirm it with your wallet. Successfully submitted. I have sold the property that I bought earlier. So now anyone you want to do, congratulations, you are now an investor. I've sold, so it doesn't matter. I've sold this. Now this is just for North Texas Bitcoin Miners Limited. This is if you want to invest on this particular one here. Remember, all of this is testnet. They are going to give you the tokens the USDT you are going to be using here until when they go live, before we can start using real money to buy properties from anywhere around the world. All right, this is still for testnet. You can see apart from these first North Texas Bitcoin Limited, whatever, there's other tokens here, other properties here. You can see Hilton Mass, you can see Oceanfront, Queen Tower, and so many others are coming soon. Even real gold. You can decide to buy gold on this their network and own a section of real gold. And not just that, your tokens, your properties that you bought have some appreciation value. You can see for the North Texas, it can give you 9% in a year, and then so many others have their own percentage yield. As time goes on, they are going to be introducing more and more features on this Equitex. You can see stake from the top corner here. You can see stake. You can see advanced trade, where you can buy and sell properties just the way you buy and sell any token. Okay, so basically this is it on this particular Equitex exchange. So I believe if there's any question regarding this, please just ask me in the comment section. All right, just ask me on the comment section. This is the real world asset aspect that this Mavryk network they are building. If you're still watching to this point, please do well to like this video. If you are watching to this point, like this video and share with others. This testnet does not require referral. There's no referral, as you can see, there's no referral link dropped on this. So share with your friends, invite others. Let us make this money on testnet together. So let us continue with this video, right? Now that you have invested on Equitex, the other aspect that I want you to explore is Maven Finance. Let's go to Maven Finance to explore this. On Maven Finance, this is the decentralized finance section of this particular testnet. So you can see a DeFi bank for the people. So let us enter the decentralized application and see what they have to offer. Now that you are on Maven, the first thing you should do is always to connect your wallet at the top right corner. So come to the top right corner here to connect your wallet. Once your wallet is connected, and if you have received your Maven testnet token, come to this staking section. You need to come to staking section here. There's a token we need to stake. Now, that Maven token that you got from the faucet, you need to stake it here. So type in any amount that you want to stake. I have already staked more than 790 of my Maven is already staked. So you click on stake, put in the amount here, you click on stake. This is the only thing you need to do with your Maven token. So I come here and I click on confirm. And that is done. Processing and all of this, it is done. I have staked my token. Now, if you want to stake, because you need to do a lot of transactions on this, just come every day to do a lot of transactions. You need to come to the unstake section. When this is downloading, you come to the unstake section here, then unstake some Maven. So you stake, you unstake. Just do that over and over again. So let us come to the earn and borrow section. Now, when we come to the borrow section, your two tokens, which is Mavryk token and USDT token, you need to use them to earn, to lend, and also to borrow. So to stake your token and to earn your token, you need to click on view markets. So from the view markets here, you can see the first one is Mavryk and the second one is USDT. So the first thing you need to do is to click on earn. All right, you need to click on earn because you need to stake some token before you can borrow. You must stake before you borrow. So let's see. Let me see my total Mavryk. I have done a lot of these transactions before now, but let me start all over again. I'm going to be staking 0.5 Mavryk token. All right, 0.5. So I'll click on deposit. I'll click on confirm deposit. And then I'll click on confirm. All right, so I'll wait for this to load up. Okay, waiting for transaction confirmation. Once you've done that, you can come to the withdraw section. Everything that you have staked, you can withdraw them from here. If I click on max, you can see that I have already staked up to 100 Mavryk token. I don't want to withdraw all my 100, so let me just withdraw 5. All right, I'm going to withdraw 5. And then when you are staking, when you are making deposit, don't deposit 100% of your token. Never you deposit 100% of your Mavryk, because you are going to be needing Mavryk for gas fee. So whenever you are staking, in fact, to be safe, don't stake more than 50% of your Mavryk. always make sure you leave some Mavryk for gas fees. So let me just come here and withdraw. I'll click on 5 and then I'll click on remove asset. Click on remove asset, confirm withdrawal. So I'm going to be removing 5 Mavryk. So I will keep it there and use it for gas fees. I confirm this. So it is being confirmed now. So when your transaction is waiting for transaction confirmation, you will not be able to perform another transaction until you see all good. Once you see this all good, then you can proceed with whatever you want to do next. Now, this particular task I just shown you here is for you to stake your Mavryk token. Follow the same process I've shown you here to stake USDT. You can see USDT. So if you want to borrow, now after making a deposit, after depositing either USDT or Mavryk, then you can come to borrow section on each of them. So if I click on borrow, before you can borrow, you need to create a vault. So click on, for you that is just starting new, for me, you can see that I've created 2 different vaults here, but you need to create a new vault. I click on new vault, then you call your vault wherever you like. Just give it a name. All right. In this case, let me call it Crypto Catch V1. All right. Then I'll click on continue. Then you need to select assets that you will use as collateral on this particular vault. So you can, as time goes on, you see those properties we bought before, you can use some of them as collateral, but at the moment now, they are not yet allowed. So for example, later on in Mavryk, you can buy a property and then use the same property as collateral to get loan. But for now, let us use Mavryk now. If I click on max, I have 5 points. Let me use 1 Mavryk as collateral. Select a validator. It's very important, you need to select a validator. So just click on validator and there's only one here, which is Mavryk Dynamics. So this is it. Then let's continue. I click on continue and I create vault. I click on confirm. All right, so my vault has been created, right? And then on that vault, you see that I use a collateral. Now, for any amount you want to borrow, select the amount to borrow. Here you can see select the amount to borrow. So you can click on max in order for you to borrow the maximum amount that you can borrow against the collateral that you provided. The more collateral you provide, the more amount you can borrow. So I'll wait for this to confirm and then I can click on it. You can see it is still creating my vote. From here, you can see it is still creating my vote. So once your vote is done creating, then you can click on continue and you can request for the amount you want to borrow. Let us check out other votes that I have. From here, you can see some other votes that I have here. Let me check this out. If I click on view, you can see the details of the vote that I created before. You can see that collateral on this particular vote, I used a collateral worth $162, and then debt, I borrowed $30 from this particular vote after creating it. So if I want to repay back, I'll simply come to this place here and click on repay. All right, I click on repay in full. So if I click on max here, my debt will be repaid. Once my debt is repaid, then this particular vote will be closed and my collateral will be returned to me. If there's any question, anything you don't understand at the course of watching this video, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Always drop your comments in the comment section to let me know if there's anything you do not understand. I'm always happy to shed more light on any topic at all. All right. So basically, these are all the tasks you need to perform on Mavryk. First of all, come here to create your account using your wallet, the Mavryk wallet. Once you're done creating your account, come to the Equitex. Buy any property of your choice. Buy and sell property from the Equitex. Come to Maven Finance. Borrow and lend any token of your choice. All right. Mavryk, also staking. You can stake your Maven token. Then, if you want to see how many transactions you have run on the Mavryk network, come to this Nexus here. This Nexus is the network scanner where you can come to paste your wallet address. Once you paste your wallet address, you can search up your wallet address and see all of the transactions you have done. Let me check out my wallet. So this is my wallet here. As you can see, my wallet for portfolio, I have 9 tokens, Mavryk, USDT, and all of those assets I have bought before. All of them make up this amount here. All these are testnet amount. These are testnet tokens. Then for my transactions, you can see that my history, I have done 700 transactions on this Mavryk network. You need to do as much transactions as possible. In fact, my transaction is still very small. I need to take it to up to at least 5,000 transactions. So follow everything I've shown you in this video. If you have any questions, always ask me so that I can shed more light and guide you through anything that you do not understand. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell icon for notification, and then check out all of my videos. I have a lot of videos on different testnets that you should really check out, okay? If there's anyone you need me to make a video on, let me know in the comment section. Message me on Telegram, join my Telegram channels for updates, and then always like and share my videos. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye for now.